Hello everyone, Brian Richards here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you another really cool, totally self-working card trick, and it is all done with, you guessed it, math. It's all done with math. Honestly, I really don't know how this trick is done, except to say it's all done with math. I know some of you are math experts, and you'll comment below, and I appreciate that about you. You'll explain in great detail how this trick is done mathematically speaking, and please do. It's awesome. Many of you will type explanations that will be like the length of War and Peace. But I appreciate that about you, and in many ways I wish I was as detail-oriented as many of you are. But that being said, you're going to want to get out a deck of cards, and let's get into today's tutorial. All right, my friends, for this trick, you're going to need an entire deck of 52 cards. Remove the jokers, but you do need all 52 cards. It's a math trick after all. And you're also going to need the box, which I'll explain in a moment why we're keeping the box out for this. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the deck of cards. You're going to count 26 cards into one pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Very good. I did that all with one breath. Pretty amazing. Now you're going to take the remaining cards and you're going to put it right next to. So you're going to have two piles, really, of 26 cards. Now what you're going to do is you're going to invite a spectator to choose any of the piles and to cut any number of cards. It's a total random number. So let's just say they choose this pile, and we don't know how many cards they cut off, but what you're going to do is you're going to take the pile they cut and you're going to place them under the box. We're going to use that later. This is going to be our prediction in a moment. Now you're going to pick up the larger of the two piles and you're going to allow one card to be selected. Let's say they choose this card, which just so happens to be, the 7 of diamonds. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that card of theirs and you're going to place it on the smaller of the two piles, and then you're going to take this remaining stack and you're going to put it on top. So their card is going to be lost. We don't know how many cards down from the top of the deck their card actually is, because we don't know how many cards they actually cut when they made this cut prediction over here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a little shuffle where you take a top and a bottom card together and you're going to place it down the table. You're going to do this all the way through the entire deck. Top and bottom card, top and bottom card, top and bottom card. And you're going to just keep doing this. Make sure you get one of each top and bottom card. And you're going to go through just kind of dealing the cards out this way. Top and bottom card, and you're going to go all the way through the entire pack just like this. Now at the end, one of two things is going to happen. Either you're going to end up with just two cards, or you're going to end up with one card by itself. If you have one card by itself, just throw that on top. Now once you've done this, everything is completely set. Remember, they could have cut any number of cards. Under the box is the prediction. We don't know how many cards there are, but we're going to count them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards. What that means is their card is actually going to be 13 cards down from the top of the deck. Are you ready? This is so crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and my friends, there is 13. In this case, it's the 7 of diamonds, but my friends, it will be their card every time. Pretty cool, right? Well, if you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to hit like and do hit subscribe. And if you look over that way, you'll see a video or two you may want to click on to continue learning some more fun magic tricks. But between now and then, I hope you have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you next time.